Hey, what's good with y'all YouTube, man? That's your boy E. We back on another banger, you know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, we are reacting to Trueno, ERI video official. This joint got 73 million views. That's crazy. Like, I don't know. I'm excited to watch it. You know what I'm saying? If you new, hit that subscribe button. And hey, if you already here, you know what we do. You know what's going on, man. So look, man, I'm going to go ahead and jump into this video, like I said. And I don't know if YouTube will let me post this. Hopefully, YouTube lets me post this video because it is in another country. So sometimes they do kind of act different and not let me post videos like this. So if they do, we good. If not, man, I apologize. But let's go ahead. Let's watch this video. Let's get it. I'm ready to see it. 73 million views, bro. 1.1 million likes, bro. Like, that's crazy, bro. Let's get it, man.
Pues salgo con mi ERI, estamos yendo para el club, mami chula. Lo parto en cuatro en mi comuna. Mi ERI dicen, ¿cuándo? ¿Cuándo? ¿Cómo?
Hold on, all red time out, bro. Dude is creative. I can see why this got 73 million views. I ain't gonna lie, YouTube. I gotta restart this real quick. I like the intro. Here it come.
Pues salgo con mi ERI, estamos yendo para el club, mami chula. Lo parto en cuatro en mi comuna. Mi ERI dicen, ¿cuándo? ¿Cuándo? ¿Cómo? Aunque tenga mi duplo en la boca siempre ando.
He just took a time out. He just took the vest. Why did he take the vest? What did he take the vest for?
Mi ERI dicen, ¿cuándo? ¿Cuándo? ¿Cómo? Aunque tenga mi duplo en la boca siempre ando solo. Yo creo que Argentina está pidiendo perreo. ¿Qué onda? Esto se puso feo. Yo entro al piso como anillo al dedo. Micro tiroteo. Mami, yo
Yeah. He put ERI on his chest. I like that. He put the ERI on his chest. I like that. Yes, sir. Y'all see that ERI on his chest, man. Stop playing. Yeah, let's get it, man.
entro al club con mi ERI, con mi rocho, como quiera llamarlo. Mami, yo entro al club pa' tirarme un par de pasos, pa' fumar y pa' zumbardo. Lo que yo voy a...
Where is he at? Like, where is he at? This look like, I know it's some, I don't know where it's at. I don't know if it's this, I don't want to say the wrong thing, but where is he shooting his music video at? Is he in, like, what country is he? Is he in Spain? Is he in Colombia? Where's he at? Let me know where he's at. I need to know.
Vos tenés tu link y lo que yo tengo blon blon. Vos querés training porque baila bien cabrón, porque le metes sazón, batería como el Teo, May, tu novio un mamá huevo, yo con un disco me pego. Me conoce como un santo, pero igual me tienen miedo. Un beat de reggaeton, igual te lo rapeo, mami, yo no pistoleo, fumate al 47. Usted frontea con pistola de juguete.
And somebody told me that this dude is 19 years old, bro. Somebody told me he's 19. Is that true? Is he 19? Trueno, ERI, you 19?
Repito, te machacan en piquete. Salgo a tocar antes de las 7. Me siento Julio Voltio, nos fuimos al garete. El Trueno Pay, es que yo y el fucking campeón argentino de freestyle, man. ¿Sabe qué? No la cosifico. Es que soy el vocero del guero como Vico. Como Vico.
Ooh, go back. Dang, I want to see them shoes. Stop. Them shoes is tough. Hey, them shoes is hard, bro. I like them. Them is definitely hard. I like those. So what team is this that he has? Like, what jersey is this? It says Gracias. That's thank you. I know gracias means thank you. And what jersey is that? It says Parmalat. Parmala. Alright.
La boca siempre ando solo. Yo creo que Argentina está pidiendo perreo. ¿Qué onda? Esto se puso
Boca. Hold on, I'm trying to figure this
Creo
out.
que Argentina está pidiendo perreo.
Okay. Gracias Boca 12. Gracias Boca 12. Okay. Thank you Boca number 12. Alright.
¿Qué onda? Esto se puso feo. Entro al pico como anillo al dedo. Micro tiroteo. ¿Quieres saber cómo soy? Te doy una pista. Todo lo contrario a lo que viste por el Insta. Estoy fumando chizos, hachís, prendo chispas. Se quedan en freeze con un freestyle. Nunca hacemos cola con mi negro tan en lista. Ey, por arriba, para abajo, corte cricket. Tu rap vamos a darle un bellaqueo que se pique, ja. Soy el boletero porque estoy cortando el ticket. Yo sí que soy un gallo de tu ganga, son tu chicken. Papi, si quieres que te lo explique, yo te la clavo a los triples. A mí me dice con tu pippen. A mí decirle a tu novio que si flecha Selena, yo puedo ser tu de weekend. Llegaron los rompediscotecas que no tenían pan y ahora cuentan la manteca.
Alright. Grupo de Teatro. Grupo de Teatro Caliense. Grupo de Teatro Catalanes, sir. Alright. I got
La
y'all.
boca por todo el planeta. La radio me la chupa y yo sueno la chica. Hoy salgo con mi ñera y estamos yendo pa' el club, mami chula. Lo parto en 4 en mi comuna. Mi ñera y dice
He had a club, bro. What age do you gotta be in this area to go to a club? Cause out here in the US, in America, you gotta be 18 or older. Some clubs you gotta be 21 or older. So it looks like he's at a club, bro, and he's 19, so he might be able to get in the clubs. But this don't look like no 18 or older club. This is like a 21 and older club. So let me know what age you gotta be to party and drink and stuff out there.
cuando, como, aunque tenga mi duplo en la boca siempre ando solo. Yo creo que Argentina está pidiendo perreo. ¿Qué onda? Esto se puso feo. Entro al pico como anillo al dedo. Micro tiroteo.
Yeah. That was lit. That was lit. What's this video right here? Trueno Victor Heredia Terrea Zanta. I think y'all told me to watch that one too, but I'm gonna tune in. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all want to. Let me know what video you want me to react to next. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Definitely a go artist, bro. Like I'm gonna put this in my I'm gonna start listening to his music because I like his music, man. He's definitely a dope artist, man. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share the video, all that. Let's get it. No cap. Let's go. We out, man. Peace.